Alright, what's up guys? Sorry I didn't record much today. I was more or less just working and didn't really want to stop to record, so I figured I'd just kind of show you where I'm at the end of the day. So, ECU back in, fuse box back in. Gonna put the airbox coolant reservoir back in tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, everything's getting pretty well hooked up. If anyone knows where this plug goes, if you could comment down below, that would be really helpful, because I have an extra plug and I didn't used to. But yeah, she's looking good. I've got power back in her, so that's pretty exciting. Lights coming on. Show you guys. It's got 148,000 on the chassis. This is a G85 Cobalt. It's got LED headlights I put on, stock housing, black housing lights, Alpine stereo with Apple CarPlay. But yeah, I'm happy to see that it's on again. Let me show you guys the lights. Not bad looking. Got this all tapped out. I stripped the banjo bolt out and we had to tap it. Yeah, so hopefully tomorrow is our big awesome day. What's up guys? Second day here. Today I'm going to basically just tidy all this up, get the coolant reservoir tank back in, the air box, and that's really it. Hopefully finished today. I don't want to jinx myself, but that's why I'm rolling it all into one video, because there isn't much to show you guys right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the serpentine belt. Alright guys, well, I'm about to attempt the first start of this car, so here goes nothing. We got life. I think it was about to die right as I shut it off, so. Alright guys, right now we are trying to get the coolant in and bleed the system. So far so good. Everything's been going pretty smooth. So wish me luck here. Well, I was hoping to take it home today, but we're gonna have to re-tap it right there. We've got a small leak, but other than that, everything looks good. I know I do, I hear it. Like James just pointed out, I do have an exhaust leak. I'll fix that. It's probably because of the cheap ass header and downpipe. But here she is. Alright guys, so I'm just getting everything buttoned up here at the shop. I just want to show you her kind of coming back to life. I'm gonna need a new front bumper. Previous owner did a pretty sweet duct tape job though. Thankful for that. Alright, now let me show you guys something cool. What? Yeah. Do you guys hear that? My intercooler pump's really loud. Is that normal? That's a brand new intercooler pump. That's why I asked. Well, she's running.